Did you know 80% of millionaires started on modest salaries? You don't need a six-figure paycheck to build wealth. You need the right habits and strategies. Imagine investing instead of spending on small daily luxuries. In today's video, I'm breaking down how you can become a millionaire on a low salary. We're diving deep into the strategies that really move the needle. Stick around and let's make your dream of financial independence a reality. First one, master the power of budgeting. Step 1, on your road to becoming a millionaire, even on a low salary, is budgeting. It's the foundation of financial success and the key to achieving your dreams. You absolutely have to learn to control your money instead of letting it control you. This means being proactive and intentional with every dollar you earn. Budgeting isn't about cutting all the fun, it's about making smart choices. It's about prioritizing what truly matters to you and finding a balance. It's about understanding where your money is going so you can decide where you want it to go. This awareness empowers you to make informed decisions. Use apps like Mint or YNAB to track every dollar. These tools can simplify the process and help you stay on top of your finances effortlessly. My favorite budgeting rule, the 50-30-20 rule. It's simple yet effective. 50% of your income goes towards needs, 30% towards wants, ensuring you cover essentials while still enjoying life, and 20% to savings or debt. This helps you build a secure financial future. Take Sarah, for instance. She saved $2,400 a year by cutting back on takeout. Small changes can lead to big savings. Imagine what you could save with a few more adjustments. Start today and watch your savings grow. Second one, invest early and consistently. Now that you've got a handle on your spending, it's time to take the next step towards financial freedom. It's time to put that money to work for you. Step 2 is investing, and it's a crucial part of building wealth. Investing is for everyone and is easier than you think. You don't need to be a financial expert to get started. Even $50 a month can get the ball rolling. Small, consistent investments can lead to significant growth over time. The real magic of investing lies in compound interest. It's the process where your earnings generate their own earnings. If you invest just $100 every month at an 8% annual return, the results can be astonishing. You could have almost $150,000 in 30 years. That's the power of starting early and being consistent. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Time is one of the most valuable assets in investing. Pro tip: there are tons of apps like Robinhood, Acorns, and Fidelity that make investing accessible to everyone. These platforms are user-friendly and can help you get started with just a few clicks. Stick to low-risk options like index funds when you're first starting out. They offer diversification and lower risk. Third one, build multiple streams of income. Chapter 3, build multiple streams of income. Most millionaires didn't rely on a single paycheck. Side hustles like freelancing, selling on Etsy, or driving for Uber can be your golden ticket to extra income. Even an extra $500 a month adds up to $6,000 a year. John, a regular 9-to-5 worker, paid off his credit card debt by driving for Uber on weekends. Small steps lead to big wins. Find something you enjoy and that fits into your schedule, your side hustle might even turn into your main gig one day. Fourth one, avoid lifestyle inflation. Chapter 4, avoid lifestyle inflation. It's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle with each raise, but that's lifestyle inflation. Instead of letting your expenses balloon, keep them stable and invest the extra cash. It's not about looking rich, it's about building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Humorous tip. Your future self doesn't care how fancy your coffee was, it cares about how much you've saved. Every time you get the urge to make an unnecessary purchase, ask yourself, will this matter in 5 years, 10 years? Your future self will thank you. Fifth one, educate yourself financially. The more you know about personal finance, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions. Start by reading books by financial experts, subscribing to financial YouTube channels, and listening to podcasts. Check out websites like The Financial Diet or Investopedia. If you prefer audiobooks, download apps like Audible. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. Stay curious, keep learning, and don't be afraid to ask questions. The more you know, the more confident you'll become in managing your money. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found some valuable insights. I hope you found it helpful and feel inspired to take control of your financial future. Remember, every small step counts. Remember, you don't need a massive paycheck to become a millionaire, just the right mindset and strategies. Consistency is key. I challenge you to take action today. Start small but think big. Choose one step from this video and commit to it. Download a budgeting app, track your expenses, start brainstorming side hustle ideas, and write them down, or open an investment account. The possibilities are endless. Every journey starts with a single step. Make that step today. Share this video with a friend who might need financial motivation. Let's grow together. Hit that subscribe button for more weekly tips to grow your wealth. You've got this. Stay motivated. See you in the next video. Take care and keep pushing forward.